Good morning, students. So yesterday we seen change gears, to calculate the change gears for the lead screw also it is in mm, and whatever we cut, we are cutting the threads. Okay, that is also pitch also it is in mm. Both it is in mm. Okay. Now today we will see both. Whatever you want now, you want thread also in British. Okay, TPI, 4 TPI, 5 TPI, like that. 4 threads per inch, 5 threads per inch, like that. And even your lead screw also it is in inch. Okay, not in mm. Your lead screw also it is in inch. Both it is in inch. So how we will calculate? So one example I will tell. Just see. This is yesterday's. Okay, this is yesterday's. Both it is in millimeter. Pitch also it is in millimeter, and your lead screw pitch also it is in millimeter. Lead screw pitch it was we are taken 6 mm, and different pitches we are calculated. So today we will see now. Suppose if you are given data, for us pitch required 4 dpi. Okay, pitch required 4 dpi. Okay, means 4 threads per inch. So actually it is a 4 threads per inch. You just see now what happened when you do the calculation. Now you see for 4 threads. Okay, 4 threads for 1 inch. Okay, 4 threads for 1 inch. That means for one thread is equal to how many inch? So like that you have to calculate. Okay, just exactly you keep it in mind. 4 threads per 1 inch. One thread is equal to how many inches? Because we are doing individual teeth, isn't it? We are doing individual teeth on the lathe. So that's why you have to calculate for individual teeth. So that's why. So this when it becomes what happens? 1 into 1 divided by 4. So everywhere it becomes 4 dpi means 1 by 4. 8 dpi means 1 by 8, like that. So that like that you have to keep it in mind. Okay, always when you do the calculation. So 4 dpi by nothing but is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Next, pitch of the lead screw. Pitch of the lead screw will take. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. This what will do almost in the lathe till pitch of the lead screw it will be coming 4 dpi. Okay, usually it is coming 4 dpi. But both you can calculate. It's okay, no problem. Nothing will happen. If you take here also same 4 dpi, same gear will come. Okay, we'll calculate same pitch of the lead screw 4 dpi. Is equal to nothing but it is a 1 by 4. Okay. Pitch required also 4 dpi, and pitch the lead screw also 4 dpi means definitely directly you can say now. Directly you can say same number of teeth will come. Okay, directly you can say it is the same number of teeth will come on the driver as well as on the driver. So we'll do the calculation now. Pitch required 1 by 4 divided by pitch of the lead screw 1 by 4. So you have to do cross multiplication. So it's equal to 1 by 4 into, this will go above, isn't it? 4 by 1, isn't it? 1 by 4 into 4 by 1 when you do the multiply or when you do the cross multiplication. So nothing but it is a 4 by 4. So here you can do any number of multiplication. So it will take about 10 into 10. So your change gears will be 40 divided by 40. Is it clear? So same number of, because it's both same, no? TPA also same, or what is required also same, and pitch of the lead screw also it is same. So same number of teeth will come on driver as well as driven. So one more example we will see different. Okay, now I will take this one 8 TPA. Okay. Which required 8 TPA. So nothing but it is this side I write. Which required 8 TPI. Which required 8 TPI is equal to nothing but 1 by 8. Pitch of the lead screw 4 TPI. 4 TPI is equal to 1 by 4. So when you do the calculation here now, 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. So it is equal to, when you do cross multiplication, 1 by 8 into 4 by 1. So nothing but it becomes 4 by 8. So here you can do the now any multiplication. So you will get you can multiply by 20 also. 20 means 160. 20 not possible. 160 gear is not there. Okay. 10 okay. 15 okay. 15 into 8 how much? 15 into 8 or else 12. Okay, we will do 12 into 12. Okay. So here change here will be 48 by 96. Got it? 48 by 96. So you divide and see. So one thing, students, what you have to do when you see this video, no. So you have to work yourself on the book. That is better. Otherwise, it is no use. You just going on see the view. It is a waste. So as on whatever, whenever you see this one video, you have to work out yourself on the book. You have to work out yourself on the book. So this if you divide now, you will get this one. What ratio you see? 48 divided by 48 divided by 96. So it becomes 0.5. Okay, it becomes 0.5. Same thing if you want. Now 4 by 8 into 10 into 10. This is also possible. Okay, 40 divided by 80. 40 divided by 80. This is also possible. Again, you do yourself. Okay, ratio you have to get 0.5 only. Okay, same ratio you have to get. So if you divide 40 divided by 80, it is coming same 0.5. Okay. So this multiplication, any number you can do, okay, but within the range of gears are available. That you have to see. Which gears are available, over that you can multiply by any number, but same number both. Okay, denominator and both. Okay, both you have to multiply with the same number. That is the important. So now see, both it is in inch. Okay. So one more example it is there in your book. Okay, that you just see, go through it. It is enough. Now today we'll see now this one. What? We'll cut the British thread. Okay, now we'll cut British thread, same whatever that same exercise you have to do. So already it is drawing, already sent in your WhatsApp. 1 minute. Okay, that drawing already it is sent in WhatsApp. Okay, so that is the actually British thread 5 by 8 11 TPI. So now we will do what we will do, that same job you have to do in our HMT length. So our HMT length lead screw is, it is a in millimeter 6 mm pitch. So in that you have to do 11 TPI. Now 5 by 8 means is 5 by 8 inch into 11 TPI. This 5 by 8, it is a major diameter. Okay, 5 by 8 it is a major diameter. If you calculate in convert it into mm, so you, when you do the turning, I think 15.9 something it is coming. Okay, 5 by 8 into 25.4. Okay, 5 by 8 into 25.4. 25.4 into 5 divided by 8. So it becomes 15.875. 15.875 mm. So usually it will turn the job. When you do the turning, okay, when you do the turning, we will turn the job 15.9. 15.9 you can turn, no problem. It is a single point cutting tool. Here it is a little more also, no problem, diameter. Okay, diameter little more also, it is no problem, because you are giving a single point. You can adjust in depth. Okay, depth little more if you give, no, then easily it will go, no problem. Okay, then you can check with the gauge. You can check with the gauge. So this diameter actually you have to maintain 15.9. Now over this 11 TPI threads you have to cut. Okay, 11 TPI threads means for 1 inch length. Okay, for 1 inch length, this is a 1 inch length, 11 threads are coming. Okay, 11 threads. Got it? 11 threads are coming in 1 inch. So now we will calculate for that. Okay, so calculating this one. What inch thread from metric lead screw. Okay, inch thread from metric lead screw. To cut British thread, that 11 TPI actually it is a British thread. Okay, to cut British thread. To cut British thread, thread from metric lead screw. To cut British thread from metric lead screw. Okay. Same whatever it is there in your exercise. Okay. Yesterday I sent this one drawing. Okay, drawing. That drawing you have to draw in workshop diary. I told yesterday with one boy. I think I off. So here what we cannot see you. Everything I can keep off. That's all. Okay. So you have to copy that in workshop diary. You write the tools, and as well as you copy that in logbook also. Okay, you copy in logbook also. So that same for that same pitch we will calculate now, and same setting you have to do on HMT lathe also. Okay, same setting you have to do on HMT lathe also. So actually it is enough for us given data. Pitch required, that 5 by 8 you forget, it is a diameter. Okay, 5 by 8 it is a diameter, that is we are going to turn. So like that any other diameter also it is possible. Okay, but we need important is for us only it is now pitch. Okay, what pitch can be cut? So pitch required is a 11 ppi, 11 ppi, and pitch of the lead screw is ours 6 mm. Okay, pitch of the lead screw is 6 mm. Here also the same thing, it becomes like that only. Okay, 11 threads means 1 inch. So 1 thread is equal to how many inch? So this becomes nothing but 1 by 11. So is equal to 1 by 11. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Here it is actually 6 only, but while when you do the calculation, okay, you will find problem. Actually, you can keep 6 only, nothing will happen. Here you can take 6 by 1. Okay, if you are getting confused, otherwise 6 only. Okay, nothing else, but in calculation purpose, because some of you when you what happens when you do the cross multiplication, you will be confused little bit. So that's why that time you take what. 1 by 6 you take. This is one another same. Okay, one another same. But when you do the calculation, you will do. So pitch of the lead screw is 6 mm. So only one this example I will do. Remaining it is there in your book. Okay, you copy from that. So ratio is equal to Z, we'll write this Z2 same. Okay, Z1 by Z2 driver driven is equal to pitch required divided by pitch of the lead screw is equal to pitch required 1 by 11. Pitch required 1 by 11 divided by pitch of the lead screw is 6. Okay. So if you have got this one doubt, just you take it 1. No problem. Okay, you just take it 1. Now it is equal to 1 by 11 into, so here it what happens, this is the when you do the cross multiplication, this goes here 1. Okay, 1 by 6 like this. Okay, it becomes 1 by 6. So you will be sometimes you will be confused. That's why I said it is 1. Otherwise it is 6 like that only. Okay, 6 here to okay. So it becomes 1 by 6. But now one different. But now one problem is there here. So one problem is there because your lead screw is in millimeter. Okay, your lead screw is in millimeter and this is in inch. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to convert this. You have to convert this inch 11 TPI into millimeter. That is more important. Okay, you have to convert this inch. Okay, 11 TPI you have to convert into millimeter. So for that what I have to do, 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. So that is important. Now tell you what I did here, it is now wrong. So that's what I did first. So you can't do like this. Now you see from here only now 1 by 11. If this will write upwards. Okay. So 11 TPA means this what you have to do, you have to 1 by 11 is equal to 1 by 11 into 25.4. So now this becomes millimeter. Okay, you have to convert, otherwise it is not possible. So you have to convert. So it becomes now into just 25 point, because 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. So 25.4 mm. So now what you have to do? You have to multiply by 25.4. So now this becomes now 25.4 divided by 11. What is? So it becomes, now when you do the calculation, like this you have to take 25.4 divided by 11. So now this one, pitch of the lead screw is equal to 6 mm. Pitch of the lead screw is equal to 6 mm. Okay, now we will do the calculation. Pitch required divided by pitch of the lead. So pitch required is 25.4 divided by 11 divided by 6. Take as a 1. Okay, is equal to 25.4. Now you will come to know that conversion gear, why it is required. What is? Now that conversion gear, because it is coming 25.4, I said your gear teeth, it won't be in decimals. Okay, it has to come round. That's why it is 127 gear it is made. That's why 127 gear is made. So 25.4 divided by 11 into 1 by 6. What is it? 25.4 divided by 11 into 1 by 6. Now, actually here, almost here actually in this simple gear train it is not possible. Okay, almost it is a simple gear train, it is not possible. Always you have to go for compound gear train. Compound gear train you have to go. So what you will do is now, next year, for this you will multiply by, because you have to get round figure, isn't it? You have to get round figure. And it must be here also little more. So you can't take here 6. 6 means it becomes less. 5 into 6, 30. It is possible. It's okay, no problem. Okay, but here, what you have to do? Here you have to multiply by 5 only. Otherwise it is not possible. Always you have to multiply by 5 only. So then only you will get the 127 gear. Otherwise it is not possible. So what you will do is here 25.4 into 5 divided by 11 into 5. Next, into 1 by 6. For this any number you can multiply. 1 by 6, for that any number. So we will take as a 20. Okay, we will take as a 20 into 20 into 20. Okay. So now your gear train is, your gear ratio is 25.47. 5 means it becomes 127. Okay, 127 divided by 11 into 5, 55. This is a compound gear train into 20 into 120. So this is the gear. Okay, this is the gear you remember. So as soon as you come to the institute, okay, as soon as you come to the institute, now you have to go for threading only direct. Okay, second year. So you remember, same gears we are going to set. You see, you keep it in mind. Same gears we are going to set. Remember well. So 127 divided by 55 by 20 by 120. Okay, so here 127 is the, it will come top where spindle. Okay, when chuck is rotating now, there it is coming 127 gear. So this is actually it is called as a driver. Okay, driver 120/70. Then below this it is actually it is called as a driven. So it becomes 55 teeth. Okay. Again, over the 55 teeth, this 20 gear will come. Okay. Again, it is a driver. Again, it is a driver. It is a 20 teeth. So again, it is a 120. This is coming over the lead screw. This gear is coming over the lead screw. This gear is coming over the spindle. That you keep it in mind. Between this is the same shaft. This is required. Okay, ratio gear only. It is not a idler. It is not a idler. Okay, so this is a ratio gear. This if it is connected only, you will get the 11 TPI. Only if it is connected with this, we will get the 11 TPI. So driver, and then this again it is a 120. It is a driven. T. So if you see here, this is the first gear form. Okay, this is a driver. This is a 127 T. For this meshing 55 T. Okay. Over this one more gear. This one. Okay. Over this one more gear. This is actually 20 T. 20 T. For this meshing, it is again. Understood? For this it is again meshing 120 teeth. Is it clear? So it is a compound gear train. One driver, driven. Again this is a driver 20 teeth. Again it is a driven 120 teeth. Is it clear? So this gear setting you have to do. So this is what we can do. You can cut the British thread. You can cut the British thread from metric lead screw. Now same vice versa again. Your this one what your lead screw is British. Okay, your lead screw is British and will cut the threads metric. That is also possible. That one example will do. Okay, that one. So that already I sent. You can see here. Now to cut metric thread. Now to cut metric thread. Cut metric thread from British lead screw. British lead screw. So we will take one any one pitch about okay. We will take about 3 mm pitch. Okay, only one example I will do. That's enough. Only one example. So pitch given that I will say pitch required 3 mm. Pitch required 3 mm. Okay, pitch required 3 mm. Next pitch of the lead screw will take 6 TPI, 4 TPI, any will come. Okay, no problem. So you can't say what is the pitch. 4 TPI also possible, 6 TPI also possible. So we'll take as a now 6 TPI. Okay. Pitch of the lead screw. Pitch of the lead screw 6 TPI. Nothing but it is a 1/6. Nothing but it is a 1/6. 1/6 inch and all if you write it is better. Okay, 1/6 it is a inch. This is mm. So now we'll compute the gear. So here also same thing. Here also same thing. So when you do the conversion, okay, from British to metric, so almost it is coming a compound gear train. Okay, almost it is a compound gear train. So pitch now will say again gear ratio. Z1 by Z2 is equal to pitch required divided by pitch of the lead screw. So So is equal to pitch required for us 3 mm. Okay, pitch required for us 3 mm. Now here again here there is a one problem is there. Okay. Now here again there is a one problem is there. What you have to do is now this is in British, no, this is in British. So this mm what you have to do, this mm you have to convert it into British. So that is more important, you keep it in mind. This mm you have to convert it into British. So for this what you have to do, 3 into 25.4 you have to multiply, divide, you have to divide. Okay, you have to divide by 25.4. See, 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm, isn't it? 3 mm, okay, 3 mm is equal to how many inches? Like that. Got it? So 3 mm is equal to how many inches? So it becomes what? 1 into 3 divided by 25.4. Is it clear? So like that you have to keep it in mind. 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm, 3 mm is equal to how many inches? So what you have to do was, if you do cross multiplication, 1 by 3 into divided by 2, so it becomes divided by 25.4. Why it is coming, that you have to see. Okay, why it is coming like that. So here will now divide. So here is equal to that, there will be right now. Okay, is equal to 3 divided by 25.4. Okay, 3 divided by 25.4. Next, pitch of the lead screw 6 TPI. 6 TPI is equal to nothing but what is there, 1 by 6. So now we will do the calculation here. Is equal to 3 divided by 25.4 divided by 1 by 6. Okay, now 1 by 6 only I have to write. Okay, now you have to write 1 by 6 only. There that time 6, just 6. Okay, that time. So without, to avoid confusion, I said you just write 6 by 1. Okay. Now here you have to write 1 by 6. Now we will do this one calculation for that. You split it now. Splitting nothing can be done. Splitting what is, when you do the cross multiplication now, is equal to 3 divided by 25.4 into